Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channels. And guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for the subscriptions, and those who haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification button. Guys, as you can see, today we are doing noodles, vegetable ones. We have our noodles, we have onions, we have our garlic and ginger, we have yellow and green capsicums, we have our carrots, we have blended tomatoes, we have some peas. Yeah, let's go cooking. We add oil to our pan like that. We let it heat a bit. We add onions. We add our garlic and ginger. Paste. Add black pepper. We add paprika. We add our carrots like that. We add our capsicum. We add our green peas. Let them cook a bit. We add our blended tomatoes, guys. As you can see, guys, as for our noodles, we have pre-boiled them. Now we add them. As you can see, guys, they look nice. Our vegetable noodles. You can start them. As you can see, guys, our noodles are ready. They have cooked. Now we prep them. Guys, as you can see, our vegetable noodles are done. They look nice, mouth-watering. Try this recipe, guys, and thank you so much for watching. And those who haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can grow together. Your support is much appreciated, guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.